I've been swimming with the Hawaiian spinner dolphin dozens, if not hundreds of times. Yet to this day, every single time is an exhilarating, life-affirming experience. This day was particularly memorable, not just because of the proximity that the dolphins afforded us, which is always a rare and special treat, but also because the pod was full of pregnant dolphins, some babies, and one itty-bitty tiny baby dolphin. Couldn't have been more than 2 days old and is easily the smallest dolphin I have ever seen. The large females kept a close eye on me. What a day. So come to Kona and have your own wild dolphin adventure. Aloha!